check engine light that came on earlier. Got this nice Bluetooth tool that plugs in. Let's see what it says. So the code came out to cylinder 5 misfire, which I thought it was because I could tell that the engine's running pretty rough. So I'm gonna go buy some spark plugs and just replace them all, and hopefully that'll take care of the issue. So I'm gonna try to replace just 2 spark plugs, and hopefully it'll fix the problem, but I'm just gonna do that for now. It's saying cylinder 5, which is this first one right here. So I'm gonna get started on that. So I got the air filter and the engine cover off. Right here is the coil. It goes from this coil down this electric line, and the spark plug goes in there. So you just pop this thing off, and then you can get to the spark plug. There's 2 for cylinder 5. There's 1 and 2 right here. So I'm gonna swap those out, and hopefully it solves the issue. So I got the first spark plug out, and it's a little bit burned, but nothing crazy. I don't think it would cause a misfire, but I'm gonna pull out the second one and see how that one looks. So same thing with this one, just a little dirty, nothing crazy. But I'll swap it out anyway and see if it fixes the problem. Alright, now I swapped out these wires off the parts car. Round 3. Let's see if that fixes it. Where's the keys? Much better. There we go. Now it's not shaking at all. Before I could feel it shaking a little bit. Now it's running really smooth, it seems like. So yeah, you see that? Looks a lot smoother. So I think the issue was one of these guys were bad, which I have no idea how. Maybe this one looks kind of funky, but yeah, one of those were bad. Seems to be running a lot better. Yeah, way smoother, no shaking. There we go, sounds good. Yeah, much better. I think I fixed the problem. Whew. So I had this AMG bumper that I didn't tell anybody about because it came with a broken tab, and I was trying to figure something out with the seller, and he ended up refunding me some money for the repair. So I'm currently taking it apart because I'm gonna send it out for paint. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I got an AMG bumper. It's kind of nasty right now, but it'll look good after I paint it and everything. Had fog lights and stuff, so yeah. Bumper's all stripped. I'm gonna get it to paint. Sheesh! experiencing a clunking sound in my driver's side wheel, and I was looking around. Everything looks pretty good. Those bushings don't look shot. This seems all tight, not wobbly. And then I look down here and I'm missing the nut on the shock absorber. And I'm guessing that's what's making the little clunking noise when I'm going on bumps, because everything else looks pretty tight and good. Wow, can't believe I forgot to put a nut on my shock. Make sure you triple double check everything before you put it together. I wanted to replace my headliner as well. As you can see, it's sagging in the back there. It's also sagging on the sunroof. It's got a bunch of stains everywhere that I can't get out. So on my parts car has a really clean and nice one. I'm just gonna swap that out. See how much it's sagging? It's sagging a lot here in the back. I'm gonna replace the seatbelts while I'm at it too. Got the stuff off here, the pillars. Got this right here off. Now I gotta do it on this side and it should come right out. Not too hard. Just gotta be careful taking these out because I already broke it's supposed to look like that. I broke it over there because I thought it was just a pull out, but it's a push. You have to like push it to the side and pull it out. But I thought it was just a pull, and I ended up breaking that one. But good thing I got a parts car. I'll just take it off properly on that one. But yeah, so I got the headliner off, got the sunroof cover off. You see it was all loose and stuff, and it had a bunch of stains. It was really hard to get out. So that's why I'm swapping it out right here. It's all sagging. This is how the car looks right now. I'm gonna take off these seat belts while it's easy access and swap them out too, because they're locked, this one and that one over there. But yeah, if you ever wondered what the E55 with no headliner looks like, not that cool, but now you know. So I'm here at my parts car. As you can see, the headliner is much nicer. It's not sagging anywhere. It's literally in perfect condition. So I'm gonna swap over everything that needs to be swapped over onto my car. The seat belts, the headliner, these window visors, sunroof cover. I'm gonna swap it all over. Make my car look a lot better and a lot nicer inside. I got the headliner swapped into my car. I didn't film much of it because I don't think it's that entertaining to watch. But this is how it turned out. As you can see, no more sagging, no more stains. Looks really clean and nice. I'm happy how it turned out. It took me all day, but it was well worth it.